Hey, I'm Andy from DIY Band. Today we're going to be unboxing these. Okay then, so we have, as you can see here, Power Studio monitors. We are looking at the Jbl, you alright? Lsr305s. Still packed up. Let me just fast forward. Okay, here we are. This is exactly what they look like. Bit of information here. Gives me exactly what they want. It's a bit pushed out a bit. Feels like polystyrene. We'll have a look in a second. Talks about trim and all of that stuff. But let's actually open it up and I'll talk through the bits actually on the machine. Okay, here we are, the Jbl Lsr305. 5 stands for the 5-inch speaker that we have here, and it has a 1-inch tweeter. Thank you, bloody dogs. Apparently this here is all these little notches here. I'm not sure whether you can see properly. I used to like disperse the high frequencies out. More wide, push them out more wide, which is a patented technology from JBL, which they used to only use on their really high profile speakers, monitors, but they've put it down into these. These were I think £90 from Gear for Music, and I bought 2. At the back here you have the bass again, which is patented technology. I'm not sure. I'm fairly sure I've seen that, so there must be something special about this particular setup here that they're able to patent it. So we've got power, an on and off switch, we've got XLR input, we've also got 1/4-inch jack input. We have here input sensitivity, so +4 dB, which I believe will correspond to the XLR, and then -10 dB. So it's just to limit the frequency that goes into the speaker itself for the 1/4-inch jack there. And we've got low frequency trim, high frequency trim, so that's so you can, if you've got a room that really emphasizes the bass, then you can trim that off. Vice versa with the treble, you can up the treble as well, so if it's not quite enough. We have it's notched. We have a notched volume, so every half step. So you've got 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5. So that's it for the boxing. There's no cables or anything apart from this power cable, which I'm a little bit annoyed about really, because it has come with European pin. So there we are. There is the 5-inch Jbl Lsr305 monitor, which has very high ratings. I did a lot of research on them really, and it was a toss-up between these and the Rokit 5s, and these by anybody that wasn't necessarily a die-hard Rokit fan said that these were actually the better monitors. So I will give them a go, and I'll probably do a review video on them as well for you. But there we are.